Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong problem coming from Engineering Sciences and Allied Subjects, which is from REE Boards August 2019. So this is in preparation for board exam, especially yung sa mga load gigs natin na electrical engineers. Yung problem natin is all about capacitance. So three capacitors, C1 equals 2 microfarad, C2 equals 3 microfarad, and C3 equals 5 microfarad are connected as C1 in series with C2. So nilagyan na ni Sir IG in drawing, and C1 and C2 are in parallel to C3. So nandito yung C3 guys. So eto, nakaseries sila, tapos nakaparallel kay C3. What is the equivalent capacitance of this arrangement in microfarad? So alam naman natin na kapag babalikan natin, if we are going back to the resistance, if we are computing for the total resistance of several resistors that are connected in series, so you just need to add all of them. If they are in parallel, so that is just 1 over R sub D equals 1 over R sub 1 plus 1 over R sub 2 plus dot up until 1 over R sub n kung gaano man karami yan. Pero Sir IJ, what if we are dealing with capacitance? So kapag sa capacitance kasi guys, kabaligtaran siya. So kapag series po, so let's just have some recap. Kapag sa capacitor guys, so that is 1 over equivalent. So that is equal to 1 over C sub 1 plus 1 over C sub 2. Kunyari, dalawahan lang siya. And dagdagan nyo na lang guys, just add if marami mang series yan. Kapag sa parallel, capacitance, so that is the same as series na resistors. So we have capacitance total capacitance equals C sub 1 plus C sub 2. So ibig sabihin, if these are connected in series, the 2 and 3 are connected in series, so we will be using this formula guys, right? So 1 over C sub T, kasi kailangan muna natin makompute yung equivalent capacitance nitong series combination natin. So we have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, and for sure kayang-kaya nang i-shift solve yan. So C sub T equals 1.2 microfarad. Tama guys, di ba kasi 1/2 plus 1/3, 5 over 6, reciprocal nun. 6 over 5, or that is 1.2 po, microfarad. So, ibig sabihin, 1.2 microfarad yung equivalent nito. Pag ginumbine natin, tas ito naman is 5 microfarad. So, ito yung CT. Gawin natin tong C12. C12. Okay, so ano yung pinaka-total capacitance natin? Ito, naka-parallel dito. Since they are parallel, you just have to add the capacitance equivalent. Napaka-basic lang nito, guys. So, as much as possible, wag nyo nang sayangin yung 1 point na to kasi super easy lang nito. Galing lang, actually, physics problem din to eh. So, we have C sub T equals C, equivalent ni 1 and 2, plus C3. So, ayusin lang natin yung sulat. Sir IJ, pakiayos po. Okay po, guys. So, we have 1.2 microfarad added to 5 microfarad. So, we have a total of 6.2 microfarad, in which the final answer for the given board problem is letter D. So, di ba guys, napakadali lang yan. Sir IG, paano po kapag mga inductors? So, kapag inductors guys, kaparehas lang ng mga resistors. Ganun siya. So, ayun guys, sana kahit paano, na-refresh ko kayo for today's video, and maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. So, 123,000 subscribers na tayo mga Lodi Geeks, and I hope you all the best. Sana mas marami pa kayong matutunan sa mga past, present, and future videos, video tutorials na ituturo ni Sir IG. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.